Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to English class. Yesterday we did the reading and explanation of the poem Geography lesson from chapter 2. So today we will solve the exercises given in the chapter. Okay, let's get started with working with the poem. It is given on page number 35. Let's have the question first. The question first is, find 3 or 4 phrases in stanzas 1 and 2 which are likely to occur in a geography lesson. तो क्वेश्चन की मीनिंग क्या है कि हमें फर्स्ट और सेकेंड स्टैंजा से 3 या 4 फ्रेजेस को फाइंड आउट करना है जो यूजुअली ज्योग्राफी लेसन को रिफ़र करते हैं. ठीक है. सो द आंसर वुड बी, the first one is scaled 6 inches to the mile. Second would be valleys were populated. Third would be land and water attracted man. If you wish, you can find out the fourth one also. Okay, so I leave it on you to find out. Let's move on further and see question number 2. Seen from the window of an aeroplane, the city appears. So when the poet peeped through the window of the aeroplane, his flight, how was the city appeared? Option first is as haphazard as on ground, as neat as a map, as developed as necessary. तो जब वो विंडो से पोएट देखता है तो उसे सिटी कैसी दिखाई पड़ती है? वैसे ही उबड़ खाबड़ जैसी ग्राउंड से लगती है, या फिर बहुत ही नीट बिल्कुल मैप की तरह, या फिर ऐसी कि जहाँ जहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट हुई है वहाँ उसका होना ज़रूरी था. नाउ यू हैव टू मार्क द राइट वन एंड द राइट आंसर इज द थर्ड वन, एज डेवलप्ड एज नेसेसरी. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन फर्दर. Question number 3 is, which of the following statements are examples of the logic of geography? नीचे दिए हुए स्टेटमेंट्स में कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है जो कि लॉजिक ऑफ जियोग्राफी के बारे में बताता है? ओके, लेट्स सी. द ऑप्शन फर्स्ट इज, देयर आर सिटीज वेयर देयर आर रिवर्स. Option second, cities appear as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. Option third, it is easy to understand why valleys are populated. Option fourth, it is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill one another. Option fifth, the earth is round and it has more sea than land. Here 3 statements are correct. First, third and fourth. Okay, now question number 3 also has this part. Mention 2 things that are clear from the height, not clear from the height. ऊंचाई से कौन सी वो चीज़ जो क्लियर हो गई पोएट को, और कौन सी वो चीज़ जो ऊंचाई पे जाने पे भी उसको क्लियर नहीं हुई. ओके, फाइंड आउट द आंसर. लेट्स फाइंड आउट द आंसर. द फर्स्ट वन दैट इज क्लियर फ्रॉम द हाइट is the earth is round and it has more sea than land. वो चीज़ जो क्लियर हुई ऊंचाई से देखने पे पोएट को, वो ये थी कि अर्थ राउंड है और यहाँ पे समुद्र यानी कि पानी, ज़मीन से ज़्यादा पानी है. ठीक है, एज वी ऑल नो डैट द अर्थ कंटेन्स 97% वाटर. ओके, नाउ ऑप्शन Answer 2 is, why men hate each other and build walls across the cities. लेकिन जो हाइट पे जाने पे उसको जो बात क्लियर नहीं हुई, जो उसको उसका आंसर नहीं मिला, वो ये था कि ह्यूमन बींग्स एक दूसरे से हेट क्यों करते हैं, और वो क्यों वॉल्स और सिटीज़ के अपनी सिटीज़ पे बाउंड्री या फेंसेस बनवाते हैं और पूरे लैंड को वो डिवाइड करते हैं. Okay, let's you have to do two more long questions from the poem. The question first is some of the main ideas of the poem in about 50 words. Okay, so you have to basically write the main ideas of the poem, main theme of the poem. Let's have the answer. The poet flew over the city in a jet plane. He found the city spread in a disorderly manner, but he knew it was unavoidable. From the height of 10,000 feet, he saw the rivers and valleys. He well understood why the valleys were populated. The land and water facility attracts people. It was the logic of geography. From a height of 6 miles, he noticed that the earth was round and had more of sea than land. But he failed to understand why people hated each other, divided the land into separate units, and killed each other. Okay, moving on to question number 2. What lesson of geography did the poet learn when he flew above his city? Answer 2 would be as the poet flies in a jet, he notices that the cities below were not properly planned. He could see why it was so. From a height of 10,000 feet, he noticed that valleys were populated. It was quite reasonable and understandable. It was the compulsion of geography that people should settle down in places with flat land and plenty of water and food. It is quite illogical why people hate and kill one another. It is greatly inhuman. So, with this, we have done with the exercises of the poem of geography lesson. Okay, I hope you have understood. So, do it in your copy. I'll see you in your next class. Thank you.